Hi, I'm George Anstey and I'm 28 years old and from Worcestershire, and tomorrow morning I'll be carrying a washing machine for 12 miles across the Malvern Hills for charity. Tomorrow I'll be doing the challenge for two charities, Cardiac Risking the Young and EIO UK, based in Malvern. I felt compelled to do this challenge for personal reasons really. I chose Cardiac Risking the Young because a few years ago I lost a friend through an undiagnosed heart condition out of the blue, and since then I kind of looked into CRY and what they did, and I found their work brilliant and they need awareness. I chose EIL because I went on one of their programmes back in April. I went to Hungary for 2 weeks and worked with the locals near the Romanian border, doing some conservation work and some tree felling, things like that, outside work. And I mixed with the locals, and you get to learn about other cultures, and at the same time you get to learn about yourself, which I wasn't expecting at the time. So really invaluable, and again, they need exposure. I think tomorrow is going to be pretty tough, to be quite honest. I've done a lot of training for it. I'm ready physically, I'm ready mentally, but I know that I'm raising money for charity and it's for a good cause, so that should make every step easier. The donations have been great so far. Our original target was met. We've gone past that now, so we just want to raise as much as we can until my page ends on Just Giving, which is the 30th of November.
Anything in the front pouch you need?
Yeah.
Ready for this?
Yeah, mate.
What do you reckon of George doing this today then?
Oh, well, I thought I got
Good work, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah. Couldn't have picked a better day for it. Got the weather, got the people.
I think it's wonderful. I don't know how on earth he picks that washing machine up and carries it that far, but he's willing to do it, and that's great.
Right.
Keep going.
Sure.
Yeah, keep going.
And you haven't got your collection then either? I haven't got any.
No, we had a bucket of it.
So here we are at the top of the Malvern Hills at Worcester Beacon, 425 metres up, and I'm raising money for Cardiac Risk in the Young and EIL UK.
I think people who do stunts like this for charities are admirable. I think it's a very impressive thing. It's a very English thing, actually. I mean, I'm from Germany, having lived here for 12 years, but it's very impressive.
Pretty tired, my shoulders are killing, a few blisters, but that's about it, so just crack on really, nearly done.
Yeah, you good, mate. Quick. Good on you. stop.
Water, please.
I think it's great. I think it's a lot more people should do it and raise some money for good causes. And it's great to see the guy. It was just strange to see a guy carrying a washing machine on his back up the hill. I thought he was training for something, but.
Good day for it, but you've got to be mad.
I'm up here again for the second time. I'm pretty tired. 75% down, so final furlong. Just taking on some food and some fuel, and then ready for the final bit. But yeah, pretty tired. This is all for charity. You can still donate up to the end of November at www.justgiving.com/GeorgeAnstey11.
I think it's absolutely brilliant. Every admiration for anybody who's prepared to do something for other people.
I just think it's great that someone gives up the Saturday to carry a washing machine on the back along the Malvern Hills and do something fantastic that will benefit young people.
Oh, I think it's fantastic. I wish I could do something like that.
I think he's completely bonkers for doing it, but it's amazing what he's doing.
I hope he raised loads of money for the charity. Yeah, hats off to him.
Yeah.
This type of event is really important to charities, our charity in particular, in raising awareness and bringing much needed funding in to allow us to continue with the work that we do.
Jane, get your car open.
Hi, my name's Dan. I know George from work. I've been helping him today. Just a bit of moral support and carrying all of his food and drink. We've been going through the tough times together. It's been really good fun. He's done really well. We're back now and everything's good.
I'm never doing that again. That was tough. But yeah, money raised, job done. Just gonna have a beer